can see from the title of today's video, I'll be reviewing the BT Artbox Nails Kit. I've been seeing this kit go viral on TikTok, but I actually ordered mine from Amazon, along with a pack of rhinestones to add some sparkle to my nails. It's been about a month since I last did my nails, so I thought it was time for a quick little at-home manicure. The BT Artbox Nails Kit comes with a nail file, gel glue for curing the nails, a top coat finisher, builder gel, and a UV LED light nail lamp. I really love how compact and portable this LED lamp is. It's small enough to store anywhere. And look at how bright this light is, guys. The nail tips I chose are long French tips because you can never go wrong with a classic French tip look. The kit also includes a few sets of nails, which is a nice bonus. With just 4 simple steps, you can have your nails done. So let's dive in and try this product out. First, I wanted to clean up any areas on my nails that needed attention. My cuticles weren't too bad, but I did have a few spots to tidy up. I started by buffing my nails to make sure the gel glue would properly stick once I applied the press-ons. Once my nails were prepped, it was time to find the right size nail tips. I didn't want to pick a size that was too big since I wanted them to look natural, like I had gotten them done at a salon, but I also didn't want them to be too small and not cover my whole nail plate. After taking my time, I found the perfect sizes that fit my nails just right. Now it's time for the gel glue. When applying the glue to the nail tip, be careful not to use too much. If you apply too much, it can seep out when you press the nail down onto your real nail. After curing, the excess glue will harden on the sides, making it easier for the nails to pop off. This was my first time using this kit, so with a bit of trial and error, I learned the right amount of glue to apply. After 45 to 60 seconds under the light, the nail tips were cured. After After a while, I decided to switch to the bigger UV lamp just to save some time instead of curing each nail one at a time. Once the nails were cured, I used the nail file to remove any excess tip from the edge of the nails and to sharpen the square shape. So far, I'm loving how the classic fresh tips are coming out. I then buffed the nails a bit to give them a more natural, smooth finish. Next, I applied the builder gel. I used it lightly because the gel is pretty thick. A lot of people who purchased this kit skipped this step, but they didn't really explain why. After curing the builder gel, I love how it gave my nails that glossy gel manicure look. However, I did notice that the nails didn't feel completely dry, so I thought that curing each nail individually under the UV light might help. Now it's time to jazz up these nails. I ordered a rhinestone kit from Amazon, which came with extra glue and tools for applying the rhinestones.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now?
Here's the nail inspo I'll be following.
Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side.
For some reason, the B7000 glue that came with the nail clip was giving me some trouble. It wasn't coming out no matter how hard I squeezed it. I think I can see why they included so much replacement glue. I started placing the rhinestones along the French tip, covering the entire edge. Now, I'm not too sure if it was something I did wrong, but the glue just wasn't holding the rhinestones in place. As I worked on my right hand, I looked over and noticed that all the rhinestones on my left index finger had fallen off. I think the builder gel I applied earlier made it harder for the rhinestones to stick, so I decided to buff off the gel and try again. After applying the rhinestones, I think the set turned out pretty good, especially for my first time. Finally, I applied the top coat to seal everything in. Remember, you don't need much. And voila, there it is. If you're looking to save money while still keeping your nails looking great, I highly recommend this kit. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye.